guys, welcome back. So today is another exciting video. I have Louis Vuitton unboxing. I have been looking for this item for about, I'm gonna say, around 2 months, and you know, usually I just go online and I try to check, and it's like impossible. It's completely sold out. When I call 1-800 number, they cannot ship it because they have limited quantity, so on and so on. So finally, here's the Louis Vuitton bag. Finally, I got my item, so let's do it. It's still in a Christmas bag, as you can see, but it didn't have any Christmas ribbon. So obviously I've got just a standard, here's the receipt. So just a standard box with the blue ribbon, but it's very beautifully packaged, so makes me very happy. And let's just do it because I'm dying to see it, you guys. So let's just go ahead and do it together. Okay, it's impossible to do it, so let's just go this way. I'm just gonna slide it. So it comes in a magnetic box, as you can see. There we go. All right, there is a little something, which I don't know what it is. Let's just go to the item that I purchased because I'm dying to see it. Alright, so it comes in the dust bag, as you would expect. Yoo-hoo! Alright, so this is what I've got, you guys. This is the pochette kirigami. I believe there should be one more. Yes, so the third one is inside. So this is a set of 3 kind of envelope shaped pochettes. I guess that's, yeah, there we go. I hope you guys can see it well. So it's the largest one, and then you have a medium one and then tiny one. I guess this one is perfect for like credit cards or I guess coins, or like any little things that you would want to put in there. But what do you guys think? I think it's awesome. They are, okay, my first impression, they're incredibly soft. So I assume, oh yeah, this is pretty wide. Look at this, guys. So the large one has a pink interior, and it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And as you can see, this is pretty soft, pretty wide. So I assume you can put a lot of stuff inside here. And I watched one video, and there the lady was able to put the mini iPad, which I thought it was brilliant. You can just use it for your mini iPad. This is great. And then let's see, the middle one, which is still pretty decent size. I would say this is like a size of the passport. So this one has this beautiful red interior, and also is very kind of soft. And as you can see, you can fit quite a bit. They are not very wide, but yeah, you can fit quite a bit in there, I'm sure. I'm gonna play with this definitely. And then the little one, the third one, like I said, this one is more for the credit card. So this one has this kind of burgundy fuchsia interior, and there is a little textile card, as usual, what you would receive from Louis Vuitton. So yeah, so they have very nice interior, very colorful. Yeah, I'm so excited that I was able to get my hands on these. I think they're gonna be awesome. You know, like kind of keep it in your handbags, and you know, just use for various things. I'm sure I'll find, you know, way of using it. I'm thinking they might be also perfect if someone travels a lot. Like I said, this one will most likely fit the passport, so it could be like, you know, holding your travel documents. And this one will fit the mini iPad. Many times I take my mini iPad to work, and yes, I have like a little cover that goes with this, but I always wanted like Louis Vuitton mini iPad, you know, like a legit iPad cover, and my husband always said this is such a waste of money, but you know, maybe I can keep in this. yeah, so what do you guys think? Isn't that cute? I was checking every day online and they're sold out, sold out, sold out. So you have to be very persistent, or if you know, if you have a good essay who can hook you up with one set. It's cost $660 here in the US, so it is pretty pricey, but think about it, you get 3 items. And you can really use it for, variety of item. And like I said, I love the fact that they're very, very soft. And again, they have pretty much all of them have the same, I would say, thickness. Yeah, pretty much, this one's gonna be obviously the larger, but they are pretty, pretty thin. But again, soft, and yeah, you can use them for a variety of things. Let's see what's in the little baggie. She gave me some samples. Yeah, look at this, you guys. That's so cute. Thank you so much. Yeah, this is the little perfume collections. I have this whole set, like a round set of Louis Vuitton perfumes, which I featured a long time ago on my channel. I did like a review of every single one. You might go ahead and check. I already used 2 little bottles of the perfume, so I'm kind of, slowly working my way into it. So she gave me, this is the first one. It's not focusing, you guys. This is, I cannot read it. It's M-A-T-I-E-R-E, Noir. I don't know. And the other one is Apogee. I don't know. This one I like because I used this one already. The little bottle that I had. So this one I know I like it very much. And yeah, I got a little dust bag. So this was a quick video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my quick unboxing. Thank you so much for all your comments and all the thumbs up and supporting my channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.